Welcome to Ride Class, the home of timeless motorcycles and honest reviews. In this video, we're diving into 5 motorcycles you can ride literally forever, with just basic maintenance, no expensive repairs, no complicated tech, just pure mechanical soul and durability. If you're tired of bikes that break down, this is your salvation. Let's ride into reliability. 1. Honda XR650L. The Honda XR650L is not just a dual sport, it's a living legend. Since 1993, this bike has remained largely unchanged. Why? Because Honda got it right the first time. The air-cooled 644cc single-cylinder engine is as simple as it gets. No liquid cooling, no complex electronics. You can drop it, ride it through mud, store it for years, and it'll still fire up. Its low-maintenance valve train and bulletproof design make it a favorite for adventurers and survivalists. 2. Yamaha DW200. Don't let its small stature fool you. The Yamaha DW200 is a beast when it comes to longevity. This quirky little bike has a 196cc air-cooled engine that has powered mailmen, military scouts, and off-road campers for decades. Its fat tires grip almost any surface, and the engine barely sips fuel. What makes it truly special is its mechanical simplicity: drum brake on the rear, carburetor-fed power, and low-stress parts. Many owners rack up over 80,000 miles without ever opening the engine. 3. Suzuki DR-Z400OS. The Drive Z400OS blends off-road capability with everyday usability, and it lasts forever. With its 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, this bike is built to survive both city streets and mountain passes. Its longevity comes from thoughtful engineering, manual cam chain tensioners, no ride-by-wire gimmicks, and easy DIY service. Many riders report crossing the 100,000-mile mark with only oil changes, valve checks, and chain replacements. Whether you're commuting or trailblazing, this bike is a low-maintenance warrior that just keeps going. 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan. The Royal Enfield Himalayan was born for tough terrain and endless journeys. With its 411cc air-cooled engine, this bike embraces mechanical simplicity while offering real-world comfort and performance. It's not fast, but it's incredibly forgiving. The steel frame, basic electronics, and analog instruments keep things repairable anywhere. Mechanics from India to South America praise it for being fixable with a wrench and a prayer. If you dream of riding around the world on a budget, the Himalayan is your forever companion. 5. Kawasaki KLR650. The Kawasaki KLR650 has survived multiple generations of riders and even a production hiatus. Gen 1 models, 1987 to 2007, are considered nearly unkillable. Gen 3 brought back the KL with modern touches, but kept the same legendary toughness. This 650cc thumper runs forever, with thousands of documented riders reporting 200,000 plus miles on the odometer. No complicated tech, just a do-it-all engine, huge fuel tank, and indestructible attitude.